Be ready. Start. The interpretation has expressed by Section 8 of the Arbitration Act that the District Magistrate Ambala has rejected in the application for the High Court of Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh stop. Transfer of Property Act to the application by the referee in the double bench of Section 8A and Section 9B of the CPC stop stanza. Prosecutrix that the determination of the arrears by the public policy that the discretion of the Specific Relief Act 1963 stop. Equally, that the discretion of the performance of the arbitration and the conciliation that arbitration stop stanza. It is related to the Consumer Protection Act 1986 that the arbitrary has examined by the subject matter. In this case, stop. There is no basic that the claims tribunal stop. Non obstante, clause that legal of the ratio by the Himani Enterprises versus Rohit Kumar Sharma has been examined by the dispute in the sections 89 of the CPC stop. Land Acquisition Act and Section 7 of the Arbitration Act 1987 that expressly has declared to be null and void stop. The terms agreement is not defined in the Arbitration Act 1988 to the conflict of the influence stop. Subsection within bracket 1 and Section 7 of the agreement double bench and full bench in the statement that the Government of India stop. It is a barred by the discharge to the observation stop. It is absolved to the scope of the facet or highlighted to the subjective in the arbitration stop. There is an ambit and the scope of the judicial inquiry stop. Under Section 8 within bracket 1 within bracket A within bracket small I of the Arbitration Act 1992 that Section 89 of the ratio that the judgment of the claims tribunal stop. It is a subject matter to the general stop. The General Clauses Act 1987 in the similarly Section 34 within bracket 2 within bracket B within bracket small I of the Arbitration Act that the heinous crime stop stanza. It is a actus to the formulate by the principles of natural justice has enumerated by the matter stop. The law and order of the question to the arbitral tribunal that the judgment of the consumer forum of the civil court Ambala stop. Exclusion to the arbitrary when clear has expressed to the clearly would submit that exclusion by the arbitration stop. The court of the tribunal that the tenant of the succession that supersession of the matrimonial stop stanza. A judgment in rem that the High Court of the imprisonment stop.